In this video, I want to break down how to get started with affiliate marketing at zero or from zero, because that is where everyone starts. I'm going to do that by showing you inside of a sales dashboard, and inside the sales dashboard, you can see affiliate daily stats. You just simply click more, and what that's going to do is give you more information that you need to be aware of as an affiliate marketer. And I'm going to break all this down, but understand that you're looking at things like hops, sales, and then of course total money. And all these numbers are important because affiliate marketing at the end of the day is a numbers game. It's about getting, as you saw inside that dashboard, hops, which is clicks on your affiliate link, or what we call in affiliate marketing, we call that traffic, getting traffic to your offer. And I wanted to show you that to establish a baseline for the affiliate marketing frequently asked questions that we're about to go over. And the first one being, because I want to get it out of the way, how fast can you make money with affiliate marketing? Now, this is all going to depend on a lot of factors, and I'm never going to tell you exactly how long it's going to take you to make money as an affiliate marketer or online or in any venture that you make, other than going and getting a job, working for a week and then collecting a paycheck on Friday. This is a business or a side hustle or an opportunity to make money depending on your performance, depending on lots of factors and how well, and of course, when you're starting at the beginning, how well you actually understand the concepts, and of course, how well you connect with an audience that has a problem and is looking for the solution that you offer. So let's go back to this so we can understand how fast can you make money with affiliate marketing. And let me show you a real example. This is Publisher Report. This is an old YouTube channel. It's a YouTube channel where I'm talking about a specific topic. One of those topics is how to make money making children's books and puzzle books and selling them on Amazon KDP. But what I want to focus in on is going and clicking on the oldest button and go back 3 years ago, and you'll see here 8, 9, 10, 11 on the 11th video. And if you click on that video and you go and you check out what that video is talking about, it's talking about a product called Instant Puzzle Generator. It is a review. It is me walking people through the product. I'm going to copy that product because we're going to go back in a second, but I also want to highlight here, this video came out on August 28th, 2020. And we go back into that marketplace, and also understand that a marketplace is just where the vendor, the product creator, and you as the affiliate link up. And we're going to take a look at that in more detail as well in an example. But understand here, this is Instant Puzzle Generator. It generated $178.09 on August 1st, or from the start date to the end date of August to September. That was during the time period that I made this video. Again, you can see here, this video is from August 28th, 2020, and I simply did a review. So if you were to take a look at the channel content, you can see July 5th, July 12th, July 19th, 26th, August, and then you can see here going down. How long did it take me? I started creating that content in July, and I created a video every week. And that video was helpful how-to content on how to do the thing that I was going to sell, or how to do the thing that I was about to show a product that actually does the thing. So I built up by creating helpful content, showing people how to create these books and then sell them on Amazon. And then I simply did a review. In that review, I showed how the product works, and then I recommended the product, which is ultimately what affiliate marketing is, showing people how something works, giving your opinion on it, and then making a recommendation for them to purchase it. You're basically a digital salesperson. You are showing them the features and the benefits of a product, and then you are making a recommendation, and then they are clicking on it, and then they are going over, checking it out, and if they're ready to buy, they buy, and you earn a commission. And that's how fast, or you saw just how fast I was able to make money, or how long it took me to start creating content and then ultimately make money from the strategy. So we answered that question, and we'll move on to the next one. How do you get paid with affiliate marketing? Basically what you have is you have PayPal, and then you have the ability to get the money sent direct deposit to your bank account. Because at the end of the day, how do you get paid with affiliate marketing? You get paid with affiliate marketing just like you do with other transactions that are happening on the internet. You're using PayPal, you're using some type of online banking process or system. So that's going to depend a lot on where you are located and the access you have to those systems. Now, do you need experience to start affiliate marketing? The answer to this one is simply no. You do not need experience, but you have to be willing to learn the strategies and the techniques and the tactics that are required. And of course, that's why you're watching this video. Do you need to set up a business for affiliate marketing? This one kind of goes back to how do you get paid? No, you don't need a business entity. In some cases, it can help you if you start a legitimate business and you say, look, this is my business entity. That helps when you go to a bank or to some type of service like PayPal and you want to do business as an affiliate marketer or collect money for selling products or making those recommendations and earning commissions. A lot of times this will help you, but it is not required. So that takes us back to the questions of how much time is needed for affiliate marketing. This one boils down to it takes as much time as it takes. It takes as much time as you can give it. It takes as much time as you need to learn and understand the strategies and then apply the tactics and the techniques based upon the strategy that you pick. And then also the time that it takes for people to find your content. And the example I used on YouTube, YouTube works a little faster than the other strategies that we're going to talk about, but they are both very viable and they both work and they are both tried and tested and proven strategies that the top affiliates here on the internet use every day to make money online. Which brings me back to the last question here, or really where this starts for you, because if you are a complete beginner, which affiliate marketing strategy is the best? In my opinion, it is to start with traffic. Now, I showed you how I picked a topic over on YouTube, and that topic was based on helping people learn how to make books and then sell them on Amazon. Then you need to understand that you need a certain amount of tools. You need to understand the technology that is required, for example, making these videos and posting them on YouTube. And then you need to do what I showed you earlier, and that is create consistent content where I was talking about making a video a week. Then you need to understand you need to present your offer, which again goes back to the idea or the concept or the strategy of which strategy is the best. In my opinion, it's my top strategy, which is you start with traffic, then you send that traffic or those people that found your videos here on YouTube over to an offer, and then you go back to that strategy and you add people to an email list. But understand within the top strategy, this is the strategy that you're building. This is the complete business. But in reality, what you want to start with, or all you need to start with, is this piece right here. You need traffic. So you need to generate traffic by picking a topic. And again, in that example, I showed you a simple example there where I was going to create books and sell them on Amazon, and I was going to show people how to do that. I found out that I need a certain set of tools, and I need to understand the technology, for example, how to record videos, how to upload those videos to YouTube. And then the big key was creating consistent content. And then when people see that content, getting them over and up to what I call a super simple lead magnet, which is just presenting your offer. There are some details there, but right now you just need to understand the strategy here is to create helpful content here on YouTube, but you can also create helpful content. And a lot of people prefer to start because they don't want to start with YouTube. They prefer to start with a blog. And of course, I think that's a great way to start as well. And of course, that brings us back to what the strategy really is, whether you're using YouTube or you're using a blog. The strategy is actually a search-based strategy. People are searching on the internet. For example, if you go to Google and do what people do on Google, search, what is the best air fryer to cook nachos? First thing you're going to see here is a list of products, but take note that it says sponsored. And then the second one is sponsored. The third one is sponsored. Those are people that are paying to get their content in front of you when you're searching. And again, that goes back to the strategy, which strategy is best. Ultimately, there's two strategies or two top-level strategies when you think about getting traffic or putting your affiliate link up so people have the opportunity to click on it. There is free traffic, which is ultimately what I'm talking about when you're creating videos on YouTube or creating a blog. And then there's paid traffic, which are those sponsored ads that you saw, which means that you pay Google to put your affiliate link at the top of the search results, and then you measure how much you spend versus how much you make, and then you think, well, did I make any profit from that venture? Or you go back to utilizing your time. And in this case, we're looking at air fryers for nachos, air fryer recipes. People are creating content here. They're creating recipes. Here you can see TikTok, Reddit, every family day cooking. But the idea and the concept here is if you take this back to a different search and you say, which is the best air fryer or what is the best air fryer? Again, it's going to bring up a response or a response to your query. When people are looking for an answer on Google, they type in the question and then they see a list of responses or what Google thinks is the best. Sponsored, 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 and a list of products. These are people paying for those positions. But if you come down here, again, you're going to see the best air fryers 2023 reviewed. You'll see a keyword there. People are doing a review. Also understand that there's a video section. This is YouTube, this is YouTube, this is YouTube. So the idea and the concept here is you're actually making a video. So these people are doing what I did in that example where I showed you I was going to create content about how to make books and sell them on Amazon. Here people are showing you their air fryer. They're showing you what they think is the best air fryer. They're showing you in our example, or the first example that we used, what is the best air fryer to cook nachos, and they're going to show you a recipe. They are creating helpful content on YouTube, posting it on YouTube, and people are finding it via a search. So the ultimate strategy here is a search strategy because people are looking for answers to their questions, or they're looking to solve their problem. In this case, they want to know which the best air fryer is, or they want to know what is the best air fryer to cook nachos and what's an excellent recipe for nachos in my air fryer. So now that we understand that, we need to actually look at where and how we become an affiliate for these air fryers that we're going to create content on. Amazon has a 3-step process. You sign up, you recommend, and you earn. Of course, there are requirements, and those requirements are tied to the size and or the power or your seriousness, I would say, of you creating content and then linking over to Amazon. So you have to actually create a channel or create content on your blog, and then you have to show that channel and or that blog to Amazon so they understand that you're serious about creating content and you're not just trying to become an affiliate in hopes that you can start sending your links out on social media or just going to Facebook groups or whatever and just throwing your link up on the internet and hoping that someone clicks on your link. This is for people that are serious, that are taking it serious, even as a side hustle, but want to spend the time to learn exactly how to do this with a solid, proven strategy. Now, Walmart also has the same type of affiliate program. And again, get started, connect with your audience to products they love, and then profit. Now, this also ties into the question about how do you get paid, or where and how do you actually find your affiliate links to actually put them up. Here, Walmart uses a marketplace or a partnership management platform, which is, again, just a fancy way to say an affiliate marketplace where they connect vendors or people that make the air fryers and you as an affiliate. You come together and then you can become an affiliate for Walmart. You sign up to impact.com. I made a video about that here on the channel. You can check it out. But the idea is you come in or you sign up on Impact, and you can see here the Walmart affiliate program. And then what you can do is you can create your link here for that air fryer so you get credit or earn a commission. So now let's move forward a little bit and let me show you how that works. You go to Walmart and you're looking at walmart.com and you're like, man, this is the best air fryer right here, this $99 Ninja air fryer. So what you do to create your link is, and I'll pull this down so you can see the URL bar here, is you're just going to copy this link. This is the landing page. Or when you go back to impact.com, which is the partnership marketplace, which is the place that you have to sign up to become a Walmart affiliate, you go here and you click or you paste in that link we just copied, which was the Walmart link, and then you select create. That then creates your affiliate link that is down here. You simply just need to click on this. It's copied. Then you would take that link, and I'll paste that link in here. And what I want to show you is if you back up here, or you can see the link right there. It says go to walmart.com, and then there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. All that stuff is the affiliate link. For example, AFF, you can see right here, that is your affiliate link. That is your affiliate ID. So then if somebody clicks on that link, it's going to then take them to walmart.com and that air fryer, the air fryer we're looking at. But what's happening in the background is there's a whole technical thing going on where you provided that link, or you got that link that was provided from impact.com, which is the marketplace that handles the affiliate program. They gave you that URL. You're taking that URL. You're providing that link in your video or your blog post. When people click on that, it's applying cookies. It's tracking the fact that someone clicked on your link. Then there's this whole idea of how long that lasts. Kind of like on Amazon, typically that's 24 hours, meaning that if somebody clicks on your Amazon link, they are cookied or they are tracked to you. They're assigned to you as an affiliate. And then if they buy that product within 24 hours and any other products that they're searching for or buy, you earn a commission from all those products. Same with Walmart, and there's lots of other applications or affiliate programs that work in that same fashion, where if you get someone to the site, for example, a big site like Amazon or Walmart, then anything that's added to the cart while they're shopping, you earn a commission on. Even if they don't buy the product that you actually were reviewing or recommending, and they took that out of their cart, you're still going to earn a commission on all the other products. And that's one of the things that makes this or makes affiliate marketing so lucrative, or gives you the ability to actually scale up and then make money over time, especially when you're thinking about products that everyone buys. If you're thinking about something like, and I'm not telling you, by the way, I'm not telling you to create a blog or a YouTube channel on air fryers. I'm simply using this as an example, just like I did with the example of creating Publisher Report and the idea and the concept of showing people or taking the methodology of learn, do, teach, learning how to create books, learning how to sell them on Amazon, and then teaching people exactly what I did. It's the same concept here. You're going to find something that you're passionate about, something you want to learn more about, something that you want to share with the world because you believe in it. Again, going back to that air fryer, the people that were ahead of the curve when air fryers first came out, and they were like, yeah, this is great, I got an air fryer, and they were, for example, already in that niche, because a wider niche of air fryers is going to be someone that's already into cooking or someone that is into healthy eating, for example. And I'm not saying that air fryers are healthy, but the idea and the concept, I think you understand. As an affiliate, you are finding products to promote. You are finding products to promote to an audience because you want to recommend that product and you believe in the product. And you're saying, look, I use this product, I trust this product, or I reviewed this product. Here's what I didn't like about the product. Here's what I did like about the product. Oh yeah, by the way, link in the description. Click that link, check it out. I really think you're going to enjoy this air fryer, which they are awesome, by the way. But you get the idea and the concept now, and you know exactly how to start as an affiliate marketer and starting just like we all started at zero. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Also, check out the links in the description. There's some great training there to really deep dive on this whole idea of becoming what is called a solopreneur, or really starting your own online business right here on YouTube, or starting a blog, but understanding the basics and the strategies and really everything you need to include the mindset so you can focus and really move forward with this whole idea or this concept of using affiliate marketing as a real online business to actually make money. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.